All right, last year I did a video. I put new tires and wheels on the mower here. The other ones had just gotten so destroyed with all the stickers out here in the yard. Plus they had just wore all the tread off. I couldn't turn anymore. I would just drift when I tried to turn. Well, one of those tires made it pretty good. Still got a little bit of tread left. Bearings in decent shape still, but the wheel itself, the tire, I mean, just got totally destroyed with stickers again. It's just a constant fight. And then the other one, about the same happened, but with it, even the bearings just shot on it. I think just from, running it flat and trying to get it back up here to air it up constantly, just wore it out. So I was getting ready to order another set this year, and I thought, well, you know what? Let me go check and see if I can find a set that's gonna be flat free. And that's what these guys are. I've already put them on. I didn't do a video showing how to put them on. I'll put a link in the description, and up there you can go click and watch the previous video. I went into detail on how I put the other ones on last year. Same exact steps. These are solid wheels, completely solid. There's no air. Now the only concern is going to be how rough it's going to ride out in the pasture and around the yard. There's lots of holes, lots of hills. But we'll see. I think it's going to give me a lot better performance and not constantly have to be coming back, airing them up and plugging the holes and filling them full of slime. So we'll see how they last. I got about a season out of these other ones before they were dead last year. I think these are not quite twice as much, but they are more. So, hopefully I get at least a couple of seasons out of these to make it worth their while. But if I'm not having to constantly come back and fight, and keep them aired up and fix the flats, it'll be worth it. So let's take it out in the field and check it out. I'll put a link in the description. I did get them on Amazon. It's an Amazon associate link, so feel free to click that and help support the channel. Appreciate you guys watching. We're on our way out to the area of the pasture that still needs to get mowed. This is a pretty bumpy ride, but the mower's doing pretty good. I didn't really notice the difference between these solid tires and what the air tires would feel like. This is the area we're about to cut. You can see how far it is from the house. And then it's this little square area right here. I think it's about a couple of acres if I remember right. It's not going to look like there's a lot of thorns here, but you'll see in a minute. There's a lot, especially around the edges, is where they really show up. I believe this tree is called a honey locust, and this is the ones that we fight with all the time, trying to get it so they don't, tear up the tires on everything. The best thing about having these solid tires is I can get up close to the fence and not have to worry about what's under those, under that grass right there. Is there any stickers? Is there anything else? Because I'm going to go over with the front tires that are solid, and then the blades will hit it and tear up whatever it is, before it gets to the back tires. But this seems to work really, really well. I'm impressed so far. Just another picture of some of these thorns. I've actually cut these down. I'm just ready to haul them off, but still some of the limbs tend to fall off of these and just make a really big mess. So I finished mowing this about 2 acre area. It took me an hour and a half or something like that, but man, I'm really impressed with these tires so far. Like I say, I was worried about the traction. They seem to be able to turn with no problem. I'm not drifting at all. I was a little worried about the ride, but they don't seem to affect the ride too much. It feels pretty good so far, and just the best thing of all is I don't have to worry about the thorns. I don't have to worry about getting the tires chopped up. I'm not going to have to go back and keep stopping mid-mow and go air the tires back up or try to patch them. That's the best thing of all. I'll put a link in the description to the tires I got. I appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a great day.